Now, this illustration still deals with wet niche luminaires in accordance with 680.23b, but nothing has changed now with the requirements of this wet niche luminaire, except you have a solid fence, effective barrier that's provided in accordance with 680.24b2 little b. And under those conditions, the deck box, can be located closer than the 4 foot. And that's what it states. The deck box with the effective barrier can be less than 4 foot. And that is all that has really changed and been added to the previous illustration. So this figure 11-27 just basically gives an out where the deck box needs to be closer than 4 foot due to many reasons. And you're providing an effective barrier. That's what this figure is illustrating.